Hello guys, my name is Tigran Ter-Karapetynats and I'm the creator of this course. In this short video I will give you an overview of what we are going to learn. In this course we are going to set up our first simple test automation framework with C# and Selenium with minimum set of tools. We will use Nugget as a dependencies management tool, C# as a programming language, and Unit as a test runner in collaboration with .NET, and Selenium as a tool to interact with the browser via code. We are going to learn this topic from scratch to advanced level. At the beginning of the course, you will understand what Selenium is and what its main components are. Moreover, we will discuss the role of Selenium in the software testing process. Then we will start our way of framework setup with the help of C# and Nugget. We will see why WebDriver Manager library is needed and how it can simplify our life as a test automation engineer. We will gradually improve our framework with detailed explanation of why the improvement is needed step by step. Our following step will be to migrate our main method into an NUnit test method. We will observe different types of hooks in NUnit tree with detailed explanation of why each of them is needed. This will help to learn how to prepare and close test automation resources correctly with minimum set of tools. Then we will understand which type of weights are present in Selenium and how to apply them in test automation framework correctly. Afterwards, we will create a structured test automation framework with the help of the most common test automation patterns. We will consider page object, web component, and data transfer object concepts to improve the verbosity of our tests and accelerate new test development process. The final core of our curriculum will be to run our automated tests via the command line. With the achieved architecture, you can set up your own test automation framework and run the automated tests on the daily basis. And what is extremely cool about this course is that you will get tons of code examples. So you can use them for your projects or during the learning. All the examples are based on real-life cases of web applications UI testing. There are no abstract examples from books that just don't help to understand the topic. This course is based on real-life cases that will help you to learn the right things in the right way. Enough talks. Let's start our course. See you in our next lesson.